stow your carry-on luggage in the designated areas. Do not pull the emergency exit handle unless instructed. Before takeoff and landing, please straighten your seat back. Stow your tray table and footrest. Raise your window shade. Please fasten your seatbelt. To be prepared for unexpected turbulence, please keep your seatbelt fastened for the duration of the flight. Above all, comply with crew announcements and the fasten seatbelt sign. Power banks and other spare lithium batteries must remain switched off and cannot be used during flight. Portable electronic devices with remote controls, satellite phones, and walkie-talkies are also prohibited. During flight, switch your electronic devices to flight mode. During taxi, takeoff, and landing, do not use headphones or any electronic device that requires both hands. Do not connect any wires. If your electronic device falls into the seat gap, please ask for cabin crew's assistance. Do not adjust the seat by yourself. In the event of electronic interference or an emergency, follow all crew instructions to switch off electronic devices immediately. Smoking is prohibited throughout the flight, including all vaping devices. Do not tamper with laboratory smoke detectors or any emergency equipment on the aircraft. In an emergency, oxygen masks will deploy automatically. Pull the mask and immediately cover your mouth and nose. Slip the elastic band on your head and breathe normally. You should secure your mask first before assisting others. Life vests are stowed under your seat or between the armrests. For use in the event of emergency landing on water, slip it over your head. Fasten the buckle and pull the straps tightly from back to front. Please do not inflate the life vest inside the cabin. Only pull the inflation valve before leaving the airplane. Blow into the mouthpiece if more inflation is needed. If the plane is to make a forced landing, please remove all sharp objects. Brace for impact until the plane comes to a complete stop. The emergency exits of this airplane are evenly distributed in the cabin. In the event of emergency, the emergency indicator lights in the cabin passages and exits will automatically light up. Please follow the crew's instructions. Evacuate via the nearest available exit. Do not take any belongings with you. Adopt this posture to jump onto the slide. Should you have further questions, please contact the crew.
行之所安，心之所向。更多安全信息，请阅读安全须知卡。
Travel with peace of mind. More safety information is available on the safety instruction card.
感谢您的收看，祝您旅途愉快。
Thank you for your attention. Wish you a pleasant flight.
尊敬的各位旅客，欢迎您选乘星空联盟成员中国国际航空公司的航班。我们很高兴和所有凤凰精英贵宾再次相见，并欢迎更多旅客通过下载中国国航 App 或绑定中国国航微信小程序的方式加入国航常旅客计划。飞机已经准备起飞，请您系好安全带，调直座椅靠背。 放下座椅扶手，收起小桌板及脚踏板，打开遮光板，确认手机关闭或处于飞行模式。非单手可持握的小型电子设备关机，并放置于行李架内。同时，全程禁止使用锂电池、充电宝，包括磁吸式和无线式充电宝等移动电源，为电子设备充电，并确保 移动电源处在关闭状态。如果您的电子设备滑落到座椅内或遗失，请您联系乘务员协助寻找。不要自行调节座椅，以免设备或电池损坏。根据中国民航局规定，禁止饮用自带的，包括但不限于在免税店购买的任何酒精饮品。为保证您和他人的安全， 生紧急情况，所有旅客必须严格听从机组人员的指挥，在应急撤离过程中禁止携带任何行李。请您注意观看我们的安全须知录像。为了听清机组成员的指令，在飞机滑行、起飞、着陆阶段，请勿使用耳机。感谢您的合作，祝愿您有一段愉快而舒适的旅程。现在，乘务员进行客舱安全检查。
Dear all passengers, welcome aboard Air China. We are delighted to see our Phoenix Miles members again, and welcome more passengers to join our frequent flyer program by Air China app. Now, we are ready for takeoff. Please fasten your seatbelt, adjust your seat back to the upright position, and put down your armrests. Please make sure that your tray tables are put away and the window shades are fully opened. All mobile phones must remain switched off or set to airplane mode. For portable electronic devices, such as laptops, that cannot be held with one hand must be switched off and secured them in the overhead bins. Power banks, including those with magnetic and wireless charging capabilities, are not allowed to be switched on or used for the entire duration of flight. If your electronic devices slip into the seat or are lost, please do not adjust the seat, as this may damage the phone or its battery. You can contact our cabin crew for assistance. According to CAAC regulations, drinking your own alcoholic beverages is prohibited, including items purchased at duty-free shops. In case of an emergency, please follow the instructions given by our crew members. Do not carry your hand luggage with you during an evacuation. Please pay attention to our safety demonstration. In order to hear the crew's instructions clearly, do not use headsets during taxiing, takeoff, and landing. Thanks for your cooperation and wish you a pleasant journey. Cabin crew, please start safety check.
女士们、先生们，大家好，我是本次航班的安全保卫组长。根据中国民用航空局的统一要求，现在进行客舱安全广播。根据《中华人民共和国治安管理处罚法》、《中华人民共和国民用航空安全保卫条例》以及最高法、最高检、公安部联合发布的依法惩治。
飞机很快起飞，成员就位，锁闭洗手间。Cabin crew, be seated for takeoff.
在航空器内违法犯罪行为的指导意见：损坏机上设施设备，在飞机上吸烟含电子烟，违规使用手机和其他电子设备，强占座位或行李架，打架斗殴、寻衅滋事，违规开启应急舱门，妨碍机组人员履行职责等扰乱客舱秩序的行为，将会被处以罚款、行政拘留等处罚。情节严重者将会被追究相应的刑事责任。同时，依据国家相关法律规定，飞机客舱为音视频采集公共区域，请您支持配合。为了您和本次航班全体旅客的安全，我和我的组员及全体机组成员将认真履行安全职责。谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. I am the security team leader of this flight. According to the requirements of the Civil Aviation Administration of China, it is my duty to inform all passengers of the cabin security of this flight. In accordance with the Public Security Administration Punishments Law of the People's Republic of China, the regulations of the People's Republic of China on civil aviation security, and the guiding opinions on punishing illegal and criminal acts committed on aircraft in accordance with the law jointly issued by the Supreme People's Court, the Supreme People's Procuratorate, and the Ministry of Public Security. You may be subject to penalty, administrative detention, or even criminal punishment if you are caught with the following behavior: damaging the onboard facilities and equipment, smoking, including e-cigarettes, mobile phones or other electronic equipment illegally, grabbing seats or luggage racks, fight or pick a quarrel and make trouble, attempting to open emergency doors without permission, interfering with cabin crew's work, and other behavior that disturbs the normal order in the cabin. In accordance with relevant laws and regulations of People's Republic of China, the passenger cabin is a public space and will be subjected to audio and video collection. Your support and cooperation is greatly appreciated. To ensure the safety of you and all other passengers, my team members and I, together with the entire crew, will perform our duties conscientiously. Thank you.
各位旅客，我们的飞机马上起飞了，请再次确认您的安全带已扣好系紧，手机处于关闭状态或调至飞行模式，谢谢。Dear all passengers, our plane will be taking off shortly. Please confirm that your seatbelt is securely fastened and your mobile phone remains switched off or flight mode. Thank you.
leave their jump seats. Lavatories cannot be used at this time. If you observe anything about the flight safety, please press the call button repeatedly to inform us. If you need cabin